If you only use your microwave for the odd ready meal, it may be time to dust it off before your dinner tonight. A surprising study has shown that the best way to cook mushrooms is either in the microwave or grilled. These processes are the best at maintaining the nutritional profile of mushrooms, according to the researchers. Mushrooms contain a significant amount of dietary fiber, with a low calorie and fat content. They also have a good protein content, a significant content of vitamins, including B1, B2, B12, C, D and E, and trace minerals such as zinc or selenium. The fungi are also an important source of biologically active compounds, called glucans, that are used in medicines such as beta-glucans. Scientists from the Mushroom Technology Research Center of La Rioja in Spain aim to evaluate the influence of different cooking methods, boiling, microwaving, grilling and frying, on the nutritional value of 4 mushroom species. The 4 species looked at were the white button mushrooms, shiitake, oyster mushrooms and king oyster mushrooms. Each type of mushroom was harvested and cooked using each method before being freeze-dried to assess the nutritional composition. Results showed that frying led to severe losses of protein and carbohydrates and increased the fat content. Boiling improved the total glucans content, but significantly reduced the antioxidant activity. Ms. Irene Rancero, one of the authors of the study, said, "Frying and boiling treatments produced more severe losses in proteins and antioxidants compounds, probably due to the leaching of soluble substances in the water or in the oil, which may significantly influence the nutritional value of the final product." Grilling and microwaving proved to be the best ways to preserve nutrients in the mushrooms. Ms. Rancero said, when mushrooms were cooked by microwave or grill, the content of polyphenol and antioxidant activity increased significantly, and there are no significant losses in nutritional value of the cooked mushrooms. And while you might think that adding oil when grilling mushrooms would be unhealthy, the researchers explain that this is not the case. Ms. Rancero added, this minimal amount will not cause nutrient losses by leaching. In fact, the antioxidant capacity can be even improved. Moreover, if olive oil is used, the fatty acid profile of the final preparation is enhanced with barely increase in the calorie content. The researchers concluded that the cooking technique clearly influences the nutritional value and antioxidant activity of mushrooms. Ms. Rancero said, the adequate selection of the culinary method is a key factor to preserve the nutritional profile of this highly consumed food.